Conflict, meaning pronunciation, conflict. A conflict is a serious disagreement or argument, often involving differing opinions, values, or interests. It can also refer to a struggle between opposing forces, whether in a social, political, or personal context. Simple meaning: conflict equals a disagreement or struggle between two or more parties. Common uses. 1. Conflict noun, general. A disagreement or clash between people or groups. Example: the conflict between the two countries lasted for years. 2. Conflict noun, internal. A mental struggle or clash of emotions or values within a person. Example: she felt an internal conflict about leaving her job for a new opportunity. 3. Conflict noun, drama. A struggle between opposing forces in literature, film, or storytelling. Example: the movie had a conflict between the hero and the villain. 4. Conflict verb. To be in a state of disagreement or opposition. Example: their opinions often conflict on social issues. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. The team tried to resolve the conflict between the players and the coach. 2. Their conflict over money led to a long divorce process. 3. There was an internal conflict in her mind about whether to speak up or stay silent. 4. The story's main conflict involved the fight for freedom. 5. The teacher helped the students resolve their conflicts through open discussion. Real-life explanation. Conflict refers to a situation where there is disagreement, tension, or opposition. It can happen between people, groups, or even within a single individual. Conflict is a natural part of life, but how it is managed is what matters.